Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today's video is going to feature some fresh spring hair color transformations, hairstyle ideas, and everything in between. So if you've been looking for some fresh ways to do something different with your hair, this video is definitely for you. So here we have someone doing the bubble braid trend. She has this really gorgeous curly hair. Very cute. And then we have this rather interesting hairstyle. So this is actually a play on the contrasting hair color trend. Black and blonde and polka dots being added with an egg. How insane is this? I have never seen this technique being done before, and I think that it looks so cool. Another trend that we're seeing this season is a look of hair tattoos. So if you think about it, the polka dots goes right along with that particular trend. And this color mix also features pops of pink. Such a cool idea. I absolutely adore this hairstyle. Let us know in the comments below, would you try polka dot hair? So next up we have another color transformation. So she heads to the salon for this one. Looks like the stylist is mixing in some bold red. Oh, I love her eye makeup. So she did like a red and black color combination. Oh, gorgeous. Oh my gosh, she looks stunning. Next up, this beautiful platinum color change. Looks like the stylist is going in with some blue. Wow, chunky blue highlights. Wow, this is really pretty. Such a unique cut and color combination. I love it. So here we have someone else heading to the salon. Oh, she's gonna be dyeing her hair green. Green is actually a really popular hair color right now that we're seeing, believe it or not. Now right there, it kind of looks to me like teal, but when the stylist applies it to the hair, it does look more blue. Yeah, this definitely looks like teal to me. Okay, yeah, it looks more green there. Wow, that actually looks really cute. And then we have another hairstyle idea that you could try this season. Looks like she's doing like a bun braided look, leaving the tails down. Cute. And then we have another interesting painting technique here. So they did like a crisscross design with tape. Oh man, I wish we would have saw the results of that. It looked really cool. And then we have a braided hairstyle here. She's doing like a jumbo faux braid using the pull through technique, scrunchie on the end. And then we have someone getting a haircut. So she's doing bangs, wolf cut. Well, she already has bangs here, but it looks like she wants to do like layers. So she's going to be thickening up the bangs. I really like how this stylist is just having this really long consultation, because sometimes you can show the stylist the picture of what you want and then they can't really replicate it. So it's nice when you can have a consultation and tell them exactly what you want. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.